Hey guys, today we are very excited to unbox another Tomei Catback exhaust. This one is for our customers, GR86 behind me. They are very excited as well. We are going to be installing the brand new Tomei single exit TYPE-80 Ver.3. So this new Catback has been revised for the third time to further reduce weight, further reduce bends, and keep that same titanium quality and all of the great sounds that we hear from Tomei exhausts on these cars. So we're very excited. Let's get this unboxed and installed on the car so you guys can hear how it sounds. Mid-pipe. Oh my gosh, this is light. Weighs nothing. And hardware. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful welds, beautiful titanium. Big beefy resonator that's going to control that rasp and drone and sound and look amazing. Let's get the rest of this unwrapped. And I believe it after holding this. All right, so we have the hanger silencer, which is important if you go to a track that has sound requirements. All the hardware, very nicely boxed up. Spring noise isolator, you cut that over the springs for the muffler to keep that from vibrating. And as with all Tomei exhausts, you get a nice little swag bag. Stickers, plate frame, all the cool stuff from Tomei. We are so grateful for them. This is incredibly light. I believe this entire system weighs just 15.2 pounds. Look at this muffler.
Hey, would y'all look at that?
It is absolutely gorgeous titanium, burnt finish. I love it. Let's install this now.
Hey, would y'all look at that?